mind hands-on. I'll try to talk to her right then and there. Calm her down, hook her. We'll go from there. Hey man, the door's locked. Hi, Stephanie.
Hello.
No, I'm not Stephanie.
Where's Stephanie?
She's sitting in a dining room.
Give me a second, right there.
Knives on the table beside her.
Okay, cool. Hi, Stephanie. How you doing? We're here to help you out. So, yeah, we're here to help you out. How you doing? Yes. Can you do me a favor? Can you?
Do you urinate often?
Yes. Can you do me a favor?
I need shot.
Real quick, Stephanie. Can you do me a favor? Just stand up real quick.
I cut my artery on my neck. It's all on the floor.
Okay,
I died after
okay.
I birthed my son. Did you
Okay.
wanna
I
fight?
just gotta make sure you have any weapons on you. Okay. Do me a
Well,
favor.
I already died a long time ago. Did you want to fight with that, sir?
Put that down for me, Stephanie.
Well, I did. I put it straight through my vein and left it
down
on the
here.
floor on both sides.
Okay.
And what's your problem?
Put it down real quick, yeah.
No, thank you. This is Ireland. I don't have to put up with you.
All right, Stephanie.
Bye.
I want to leave,
Bye.
but I need you to put that down real quick.
Bye.
I understand that, but I need you to put the knife down.
God,
Hey, no, hey, get down, get down, get down.
Please, you're ignorant.
Okay, I understand that, but I need you to put the knife down.
God,
Hey, no, hey, get down, get down, get down.
Leave, you're ignorant.
Okay, I understand that, but I need you to put the knife down.
God,
Hey, no, hey, get down, get down, get down.